Electron microscopy reveals the hidden inner world all around us. We are able to see objects that are smaller than the characteristic length of visible light, and can therefore see the tiniest dimensions of plants and animals. In this image, we are not looking at some sort of secret code, but rather at Raphide crystals growing in the leaves of a plant called Alocasia. Raphide crystals are made of calcium oxalate and grow into a variety of shapes that we can see in an electron microscope, including the H's and N's in this image. Raphide crystals allow the plant to store extra calcium and also to deter herbivores, animals that might want to eat the leaf, but who won't do so when it is full of sharp and toxic crystals. Electron microscopy shows us how even the smallest of small things can have a profound impact on interactions between plants and animals.